Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making raspberry Zinger poke cake, and I'm doing it a little bit different than the original recipe, and that will be in the description below. But I'm making mine sugar-free. So the first thing I'm going to do is add in my cake mix, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. The weather here has been beautiful, and so I'm planning on enjoying it later on today by going off for a good ride with Calvin. Okay, now then I'm going to be putting in 1 cup of water and 1/3 cup of oil, and 2 eggs. So I'm just going to beat this until I get it incorporated. Okay, I only added 2, but the recipe called for 3. I don't have on my glasses. Okay, I'm going to mix this up until it becomes smooth, about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, that's good and smooth now. So I'm going to pour it in my already sprayed baking pan. Okay, so now I'm going to smooth this all out. Make sure when you make your cake that you get your ends with a lot of cake batter in it so that it doesn't burn. Okay. Now then I'm going to just hit this to get the air bubbles out of it. And I'm going to cook my cake layer for about 325 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, my cake just came out of the oven, so I'm going to let it cool before I ice it, and then I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm back, and my cake has been cooling for about 30 minutes now. So now I'm going to poke some holes in it with my wooden spoon. I'm just poking them. It don't matter. You don't have to have them all lined up. Okay, so now I got all of my cake poked with these holes in them. So now then I'm going to take my hot water over here, and I'm going to pour my Jello mixture in this cup right here. Then I'm going to pour my hot water in here. And I'm going to stir this up really good. Okay, I think that's stirred up good. And this is 2 cups of water in here. So now then I'm going to pour my Jello mixture over my cake. Okay. I have all my Jello mixture poured over my cake now. So I'm going to put in my raspberry preserves over the top. And I microwave this in the microwave. And so now I'm going to put it on top of my cake. These raspberry preserves really smell good. I guess everybody remembers eating a Zinger from their childhood. Okay. Okay, I just have put my raspberry preserves over my cake layer, and so now I'm going to put on my Cool Whip. I know this cake is going to be delicious, even if it is sugar-free. I've already tasted of the raspberry preserves, and you can't even tell it that it doesn't have sugar in it. Okay. And then I'll try to spread this over the top. I think this is going to be a special little dessert for Calvin tomorrow at Thanksgiving. Okay, so now then I'm going to put the coconut on top. And this is sugar-free coconut, so, or I should say it's unsweetened coconut flakes. I don't think I'm going to use all this coconut. I think that's good enough. So here's my Zinger cake. And so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it set up for about 4 hours, and then I'll come back and do the taste test. Hi everyone, I'm back now, and my cake has been in the refrigerator for 4 hours now, so I'm ready to do the taste test and see how this Zinger poke cake tastes. That really looks good. Okay. Look how pretty it looks. Okay, so here goes. That is delicious. You could not even tell that this was a sugar-free cake. Okay, Calvin, here's your fork. You're going to really love this.
Okay. You made it special for me, right?
Yeah.
Sugar-free, right?
Right. You're going to be wanting me to make this a lot. It's delicious, isn't it? This is an easy cake to make, and it's perfectly good for a Thanksgiving dessert, isn't it?
This is great.
Yeah.
I love that strawberry preserves in there. That really makes it good.
Yeah. You mean raspberry?
Yeah, raspberry preserve. Yeah. Hey y'all, this is my first bite of something that tasted sweet like a cake in over a week. So you know I'm enjoying it.
It's really delicious, isn't it?
So since this is sugar-free, I can have a piece this size and be okay.
Well, now it still has calories.
Still got calories? Well, I'll enjoy it. Thank you, Marie. Very
You're welcome.
sweet of you, okay?
Okay.
I'll stay here with you while you close the video out.
Okay. Me and Calvin just wants to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, don't we, Calvin?
We sure do. Y'all have a great day with your family and eat plenty of food and just have a lot of fun and stay safe. That's the most important thing.
Yeah. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on our next video. Bye.